Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Suraswar, founder of Online Study for You. TCS Free NQT 2026 registration has started or not? Many of the students are asking for TCS Free NQT registration link. In this video, I am going to talk about your TCS Free NQT for BE BTECH, the registration, exam timelines, syllabus, each and everything in very much detail. Please do like the video for the effort which we are putting, and trust me, you will be getting all the genuine information from here. Okay, now, so friends, this particular link you are seeing at many places. There are many channels who are doing it for views, but this is not the free NQT for BE BTECH registration link. This is for the paid NQT, and I have strictly asked you not to write paid NQT. If you'll see this particular page here, right, so they would have mentioned 2021 a student passing between 2021 to 2027 who are looking for a job, but I have not met even some 3-4 person also who has got job through the paid NQT. So please do not apply through this link 2026 batch. Now, so let me talk little bit more about that, like last year how it had happened and this year how it is going to happen for 2026 batch. Okay, so I will share this particular PPT. Okay, I will be sharing you the registration link, so you do not have to worry at all. Okay, so friends, on campus exam for 2026 batch already happened in October, November. Here you could see, we are pleased to inform you that Tata Consultancy Services has announced the TCS National Qualifier exclusively for Priority Institute for 2026 graduates student. Tentative test date 2nd week of November 2025. Exact test date will be announced later. Registration deadline 15th of October 2025, 12 p.m. So this was for 2026 batch. Okay, free NQT on campus. Okay, on campus, which happened in October, November. Okay, October, November 2025. Now, for 2026 batch, the off campus will be happening in March. Okay, so around March first week or Feb last week, we should be getting the registration link. So March till May, this exams happens in multiple phases. Exams happens offline. So when exams will happen offline, then it will be difficult to bring so many students to the centers. So this particular exam definitely will be happening somewhere in the March to May 2026. Like last year, there might be slight change also, but this is a date which we can expect it. Okay, and off campus they allow a student from all colleges. It's not like from the priority colleges and all. And this year TCS will be hiring more in number. So 2026 batch, do not apply through any link which you are getting. Okay, so for 2026 batch, the exclusive TCS WhatsApp group you can join. So please comment TCS. Okay, please comment TCS. We will share you this WhatsApp group link and Telegram link. Okay, so we will update in the description itself. So video descriptions itself we will update if you are really interested. So please comment TCS as soon as you watch the video. Okay, now, so please don't apply through any link which you get. Otherwise, there might be some issues and then it will be difficult for you to rectify. And when you are registering, right, so try to register with your own personal email ID. Don't register with college ID, because once you pass out from the college, your ID will be deactivated and you will no longer be able to use the this TCS ION platforms. Now friends, see, already we have given a lot of results. Sir, you are simply putting some and other photos. No, you could see here. So we had done an event, and in that event we had distributed the certificates and all. So TCS, and many people have joined also. You see the date 17th for here 20 to 16th of January, 23rd, 10th of April. Okay, so these people have joined. So T selected in TCS Digital 7 LPA, TCS Digital, TCS Digital. Okay, and then here you TCS Prime for 9 LPA, Digital Prime. So friends, you have to get selected this year in Digital or Prime, and for that whatever effort is required we need to put from now only. Now you think of how much time you have. Okay, so from now how much time you have. So you have time. February is getting over, so you have almost you say like another 1 month of the time. This 1 month, no, this 1 month you have to utilize it in a very proper way. You have to solve as much as previous year question possible, and that is the reason, friends, in TCS crash course, right, TCS NQT crash course, as part of that we have started PYQs. See, already this week is over, and now second week is also over. So already day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. See, aptitude PYQ, verbal ability PYQ, coding PYQ in all languages, Java, Python, C++. See, many of you will be telling, sir, you are promoting your courses. See, I want you to get selected like this. That's all, simple. So however you think that you can get selected, you get it. Okay, see, the only thing is I need to tell you this is what we are doing, and this is what you also have to do. This is what you also have to do. So here, like, proper plan week 3, and then from week 4, from the 16th of Feb, that means from next week, we are going to start with the marathon classes, 2 hours of the classes. And if you have missed any of this week 1 plan, week 2 plan, you can watch the recorded videos always. Okay, so you can also go and check. So you know, introduction, 2025 asked questions, 2024 asked questions, no one will give you this. Okay, recorded videos, okay, live classes, practice set, mock test series, English communication, AI tool workshop, live classes recording old batches. This is part of TCS NQT crash course. And if you are going for Achievers batch, then you also getting this ATS based resume free for other companies. Okay, so for TCS, right, so TCS, Wipro, Capgemini, okay, Wipro and startups, Deloitte and Cognizant, TCS and LTI, Mindtree, right. So all those things you will be getting it. Okay, now anyway, so this crash course you need to get at any cost, friends. Don't regret later. I want your photo also here. Okay, so that I will be displaying here and giving some kind of, you know, certificate to you. Okay, that's all. So TCS NQT, free NQT. So this will be the pattern, and the questions won't be that easy. For UG undergraduate, Ninja 3.3, Digital 7 LPA, Prime 9 LPA. For PG 3.5 LPA, Digital 7.3 LPA, Prime 11.5 LPA. Part A foundation section will be there. Numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, 25 questions. Part B advanced section, advanced aptitude and reasoning. So total 25 question, advanced coding 90 question, and time duration will be 190 minutes. Friends, see, if you do only this foundation section, like the duration was there 25, and total question will be 20, 25. I'm sorry. So this was the duration. So 25 minutes for numerical ability, 25 minutes for verbal ability, and 25 minutes for reasoning ability. And the number of question 20, 25. And this will not be so easy. Okay, so don't think that okay, this is going to be very, very easy. This will be of good levels. Now, so advanced aptitude and reasoning, so 14 questions total altogether, 25 minutes, and advanced coding. So here there will be total 2 questions will be there. Now, if you do only foundation sections, my dear friends, if you do only this foundation section, then you will be getting ninja profile. You will be getting ninja profile. You will be getting ninja profile. Okay, and if you do one coding question, then you will be called for digital interview. And if you do 2 coding question, then you will be called for prime interview. But it does not mean that you have to do all the test cases in this. You have to do all the test cases in this. No, you do not have to do that. Okay, so if you do, like, suppose 5 to 6 test cases, then also you will be called for prime or digital interview. Okay, fine. Next, friends, see, thank you Pratik sir, I have purchased your TCS NQT crash course and it helped me a lot for clearing the NQT assessment. Okay, I got shortlisted. So a lot of messages you can see. Okay, these are the 2026 batches. Okay, students who has got, you know, this is our application where the courses are listed. So this you can see. So a lot of student has, TCS is sending the selection mail, sir, because of your TCS aptitude videos I cleared it. I want to thank you also, Pratik sir. I got placed in TCS Digital today. Your interview courses helped a lot. Okay, so each and everything, man. Where thank you so much because your excellence guidance. I got selected in Capgemini and TCS. Okay, so here, thank you for your course. I got selected in Ninja role. I want to thank for your classes. I got selected in Infosys and TCS. Okay, so friends, lot of things you will be definitely getting from this TCS NQT crash course. So don't think, get it right now, and do subscribe to this YouTube channel. So whenever the hiring comes, the hiring is active, you will get a video and then only you apply. Do not apply now, just with whatever link you are getting or some paid hiring. Don't do it. Okay, if you have already indulged into the paid hiring of TCS NQT, then no problem, you write the exam. This also you'll be able to write, but now please make sure that you don't apply wherever these links are coming, because there are many times you face the issues, okay, when you apply multiple times. So please make sure that you apply after we send you the registration. Thank you, take care, and all the very best. Don't forget to join the WhatsApp group and Telegram group.